So we return to Bloodbath Bazaar. Swapped out my sniper rifles because I'm not really feeling the TPG anymore. I saw that guy over there. Have I ever told you that the DSR Nemesis is one of my favorite sniper rifles in this game? For some reason, whenever I use it, I always feel like I'm doing great. It's kind of strange, actually. Just for some reason, this gun, this sniper, feels really good in my hands, and that's what she said. Then again, I could be getting flanked right about now. So let's check our flank real quick. Done.
Enemy down.
Oh, they're using RPGs now, huh? Oh god. The smart decision is just to run away like this. And just fucking bail. I don't want none of that. Please, no RPGs. Now I could just flank him like this.
Enemy down. Enemy down.
Didn't see the guy in the corners. That's fine. 7-1, I'll take it. But yeah, the Maxis DSR-1s, for some reason, this gun, it's like, I'm more surprised at myself why I don't use this gun more, cause it's just so good.
Enemy down.
I think the entire enemy team is just holed up in here somewhere. Let's see if they are. Yep. Random lotto? Alright, I'll take it. And the guy outshoots me with an MP7 Steel, of all things. An MP7 mod Steel. Man, I wish my MP7s could be just like that. The original MP7, the MP7 Steel, not the modded ones, those are pretty fucking dang, man. Not gonna lie. Those are pretty fucking good. But I hated the mod Steel. The mod and the mod Steel. I just hated them. The silencer just didn't feel right. I keep thinking I'm seeing people. Like I see dead people. Okay.
Watch your shot.
Nobody's coming out right side, huh? Is it time? Oh no, yeah. And nobody's coming out right side, huh? I wonder why. Just shoot that guy and then shoot this guy. Hey, easy. One more bullet. The dream. Nope. No pistol dream either. Maybe I'm going back to my sniper roots. Because if you guys didn't know, I actually made this channel first to be like a sniper-only gameplay channel for Combat Arms. And that was fun. Back in those days, doing sniper-only stuff, that was fun. Let's see if... Wow. Okay, I didn't actually expect to hit that shot, but... And you saw how my mouse kind of wiggled back and forth, and I had to kind of take it slow. Yeah, that's the problem that I have to deal with. Even though I'm not doing it myself, I'm just trying to raise my mouse straight up, but it won't let me do that for whatever reason in this game only. Every other person shooting game, I don't have that problem. It's just, for whatever reason, Combat Arms with this new mouse doesn't let me do that. Because fucking God knows why. Because this game sucked dick! Let me guess, did that guy have a 4-bar? He had a 2-bar, okay. Outshooting me when I have a 3-bar advantage over his 2-bar. Okay, Nexon. Your game fucking makes a lot of sense. Red and Neil much. I'm pretty sure he didn't have enough time to detonate the claymore by himself, so I actually died with him. Because in this game, when you're a spec and you put down a claymore and you die, your claymores automatically go off, and they're still active for whatever reason. I remember days when I didn't think that claymores could get headshots. They can. That was pretty funny too. Like I really want to know what my hit percentage is with the Nemexis DSR, because it's really fucking high. I just want to clarify that right now. I have some insane accuracy with DSR, and nobody can explain why, or I can't explain why. I just do. I'll stop talking about it now because I'm sure a lot of you guys are fucking pissed off at me and annoyed as fuck about how much I'm gushing and jizzing over the Nemexis DSR. But hey, I mean, if you hit shots like that, you can't really help but keep jizzing over it, right? Well, as I say that, I can't really hit things like specs all that well, especially anorexic fucking Viper. But hey. He's trying to flank. Sounds sexy, hits hard.
Round start.
My bad. I wonder if I ever put in my top 10 sniper rifles. I probably did, but it's whatever. And of course.
Round start.
Thanks, Nexon, for not letting me get up on that fucking canopy thing. You know, it'd be sick if I actually hit the shot through the wood right there. I thought someone was trying to knife me.
Round start.
I hate the fact that Nexon put in tips in your death counter, and every time I die I have to read that shit. It's like, okay, Nexon. Just because you're staffed by a bunch of fucking autists doesn't mean you have to treat me as one too. You know what I'm saying? I know how to play your game. And it ain't like there's enough people coming into your game to warrant such a thing anyway, you know?
Alpha team wins.
Oh, that was a fun game. Hitting shots.